Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about ogive curves. Okay. So these ogive curves are of two types. Two types. First one is in this two types. First one is less than type, more or greater than. So more than type, less than type. So less than ogive curve, greater than ogive curve. Two graphs will be there for you, and we will discuss about this today. First we will go with one question here, that is 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. So what is this means? It is class. It is class. Frequency also they will give. What they given frequency? 2, 12, again 2, 4, 3, 4, 3. So as we done some problems finding mean, median and mode. For that problems also they gave class and frequency. So to draw ogive curves also they will give class and frequency. Okay, what you have to do is we have to draw less than type and greater than type. So here less than type if you want to draw. Less than type if you want to draw. So here less than, see it is lower limit, it is upper limit. So upper limit of one class is equals to lower limit of next class, means this is called exclusive classes. Okay, for exclusive classes limits and boundaries will be same. Now lower boundary, okay, lower boundary means this is 5 is lower boundary, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 like that. So lower boundaries will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, lower boundaries. Okay. So whenever lower boundary is there, next you have to write GCF. So GCF full form is greater than cumulative frequency. I said two types of not. One is greater than cumulative frequency curve. Greater than cumulative frequency curve is one curve in ogive curve. Okay. So how to remember? So here it is less, it is greater. Less, greater, or opposite or not? LG. So you know about LG fridge. Okay, refrigerator. So otherwise L means lower, G means greater, lesser, greater. So like that, lower boundary GCF, lower boundary GCF. GCF in 9th class already we done. To find GCF, here you have to write some numbers here. You have to start from down onwards. In frequency, the last one is 3 here. You should write 3. Why you have to write 3? Just now I will explain to you. What is that is? So here I will explain what is class and frequency now. 2 is called, two observations are there. The two observations lies in between 5 to 10. Okay. So here 10 to 15 means the observations between 10 and 15 are 12. So between 10 to 15 observations we have 12. 15 to 22, 20 to 25 4, 25 to 33, 30 to 35 4, 35 to 43. So here just imagine there is an examination for 40 marks maybe. So for 40 marks examination, 5 to 10, in between 5 to 10, how many students they secured? 2 members. Means 2 members secured marks in between 5 to 10. And 12 members secured marks from 10 to 15 in between. Means 11, 12, 13, 12.5 like that. 2 members secured 15 to 20. 4 members secured 20 to 25. 3 members secured 25 to 30, like this. So, what is GCF? I want to say here. GCF means lower boundary or not? Means here you have to write above 35. Above 35, how many members are there? So here 35 to 40, how many members are there? 3 members. So above 35, how many members are there? Means here 3 members. Now come to this class. In this class you have to make a question that above 30, how many members are there? Means those who scored marks above 30. So here 35 to 40, how many are there? 3 members. 30 to 35, how many members are there? 4 members. So in a class, 35 to 40, 3 members got it. 30 to 35, 4 members got it. So my question is, above 35, how many members scored? Means you said 3. Now I am asking the persons to stand for those who got above 30. Above 30 means these 4 members they will stand, and also these 3 members also again they will stand. Why they will stand? Because these 3 members got 35, more than 35. If any number is more than 35, always it is more than 30 only. Okay. So more than 30 means these also will be included. So I have to add 3 plus 4, means I have to write 7 here. So what is 7 here? Number of students who secured more than 30. Like that. More than 25 if I ask. What you have to do? 25 to 33 members, 30 to 35 4 members, 35 to 40 3 members. So more than 25 means these 3 should add it. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10. 10 you should write it. Means more than 25 10 members are there. More than 20 how many members are there? Means 24 or 14. Next again 16. Next again 28. Again 30. So here ordered pairs. Ordered pairs means here always boundaries. Classes should be there on x-axis. Cumulative frequency. Frequency should be there on y-axis. You have to keep ordered pair like 5, 30. If you keep 30, 5, it is wrong. Always class or boundaries should be present on x-axis. Frequencies. Either it is less than cumulative frequency or greater than cumulative frequency or normal frequency. Always frequencies should be represented on y-axis. So 5, 30 I wrote here. Next here the ordered pair is 10, 28. Next ordered pair is 15, 16. Next ordered pair 20, 14. Next ordered pair 25, 10. Next ordered pair 30, 7. Next ordered pair 35, 3. So these are the ordered pairs we got it. For which one? These ordered pairs you have to locate in the graph. So if you locate what happens is 5, 30. So here 5 will be somewhere else here. 30 means here. So the graph will come like this. So the graph will come like this. This is called GCF. This is called GCF. Now we will go with LCF, less than cumulative frequency. So here if it is 5, this is 30. So its x coordinate is 5, its y coordinate is 30. Here writing numbers depends on the scale which you are taking. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. So here on y-axis you have to get 30 means if 50 lines are there, each you can take 2, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, and mark scales on x-axis and y-axis. Draw, it's a relevant one. Already you know about it. This we can't say briefly on this whiteboard. To explain this ordered pair, so we need one graph paper, or else I already sent one video for you. So if you see, you will get that one. So if it is for 4 marks, if you write table, so you will get 2 marks. For graph, these ordered pairs, if you represent in graph perfectly and keeping x-axis, y-axis, scale, horizon, ordered pairs, its numbers, everything if you write, you will get 2 marks. Okay. Now we will go with what is that? LCF. We will go with LCF. So for LCF, what you have to do is, instead of lower boundary, we should take upper boundary. Why you have to take? I will explain to you. So here, upper boundary. So I said already, in 5 to 10 class, 5 is lower boundary, 10 is upper boundary. So 10 is upper boundary for this class. For 10 to 15, what is the upper boundary? 15. Why I am saying boundary instead of limit? Because it is exclusive classes, limits and boundaries are same. Sometimes here 5 to 9 will be there, and here 10 to will be there. They are called inclusive classes. This inclusive and exclusive already I explained in 9th class. Once again revise that. Then 20 is here, 25 is here, 30 is here, 35, 40. These are called upper boundaries. Next, LCF. What is the full form for LCF? Less than cumulative frequency. That's it. Not curve. Curve will come later in the graph. Now it is LCF, less than cumulative frequency. Means I have write numbers only. So how to remember? Upper, lower. So if you book a reservation, means train reservation or something, lower berth, upper berth. So upper and lower already you know about it. So upper boundary means less than cumulative frequency. L means less than. Okay. So you can remember like that. UL. So many students what they will do is, here they will write lower boundary and LCF they will write. So ordered pairs will be wrong. If you write lower boundaries instead of upper boundaries, ordered pairs will be wrong and you won't get any marks. So easy way is UL, LG, LG, UL, LG, UL, LG, lower boundaries, GCF, greater than cumulative frequency. Upper boundaries, LCF, less than cumulative frequency. Now LCF how I have to do? So in 9th class what I said is, I said to first write 2 as it is, and here 2 plus 12 and 2 plus 12 plus 2, something I said, and you done like this. So here now you will understand why you have to add this one. Just now I said for lower boundaries. Now here see, upper boundaries we take it. So less than means less than 10, how many numbers are there? Less than 10, how many? See, if I in this class, if I use the word less than, I can't say less than 5. Less than 5 means here it won't come. So in 5 to 10 means the students who secured 5 to 10 means 2 members you are saying. Less than 10, how many members secured means 2. So here less than 10, how many members secured? 2. So I want less than 15. So I asked some students who secured before means between 5 to 10 means 2 members they are standing. Again I asked 10 to 15 means these 2 members they sat, and 12 members they raised their hands. Okay, 10 to 15, 12 members are there. Now I am asking how many members secured less than 15. So less than 15 means these 12 members will come and also these 2 members will come. So 2 plus 12 I written here. This is nothing but 14 and it is 2. Here 14 plus 2, that is 16, and here it is 20, and here it is 23, here it is 27, here it is 30. So how you got? Just now I explained to you, same like that. Less than 20, how many members are there means, less than 20 means you have to write 5 to 10 class students, 10 to 15 class students you have to write it, 15 to 20 also you have to take. These three should add. If you add, how much you are getting? 16. Now less than 25 if I will ask, you have to add this also. Less than 30 if I will ask, you have to add this also. Like that. Less than 40, how many members secured means, what you got here? 30 members secured. 30 members got less than 40. So, like that LCF will come. After getting LCM, what you have to do? LCF, you have to write ordered pairs. What I said, always write boundaries on x-axis, x-coordinate. So, in boundaries, first one is 10, 10 comma. Frequency, I have to write here 10 comma 2. Next one, 15 comma 14. Next one, 20 comma 16. Next one, 25 comma 20. Next one, 30 comma 23. Next one, 35 comma 27. Next one, 40 comma 30. What are these? These are the ordered pairs. What happens by getting, means what is the use of getting ordered pairs? If you got ordered pair, you can locate one point on the graph. It is one point. 10 comma 2 is one point. What you have to do? Again, you have to take a graph paper, and here you have to write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you should take scale on x-axis. It is x-axis. Horizontal is x-axis. Y-axis. So vertical is y-axis. So here y-axis means the greatest number is 30. You can write 2, 2 or not. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like that you can take it. 15 lines are there, means 30 will come. Now 10 comma 0, 5, 10. 10 comma 2. 10 comma 2 means somewhere else here it will be. And this graph, how it will go is like this it will go, this graph. Okay. So, by this, what you can say, it is called LCF. Less than cumulative frequency curve. This is also called OSU. And just now I said about GCF. GCF curve will come like this. It is GCF. LCF curve will come like this. Okay. So, GCF and LCF where they met, this is called median. By, see, sometimes they'll ask that, draw OG curves, find median from the OG curves. Means, GCF you have to draw curve, LCF curve you have to draw, both they will meet. So that there, where they met, there you have to draw dotted line towards x-axis. Here whatever reading will come, 5, 10, 15 like that, whatever reading will come, that reading is median. Okay. Sometimes he'll ask to draw only one OG curve and he'll ask to find median. Okay. So that just once see it, just you have to say to me, this statistics is completed. So next my plan is, I will conduct some sort of slip test from first chapter onwards. Maybe you forgot it. So till Monday, whatever incomplete works are there, just complete it. And I said to write worksheets. I don't know how far you are writing. So I will conduct some sort of test for you. These tests, what happens when you write, when you won't write. See, it depends on you only. So if you write, you will get practice with these marks. No one will give any punishment. So Monday onwards maximum I will try to keep an online test. So thank you.